Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Truckstop Go app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Truckstop Go is a mobile app developed by Truckstop, designed to help truck drivers and freight carriers find, book, and manage loads on the go. It integrates real-time load board access, route planning, fuel optimization, and rate comparison tools to streamline the trucking workflow. Users can filter loads by location, weight, and equipment type, as well as view broker ratings and payment histories to make informed decisions. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many truckers appreciate Truckstop Go for its easy-to-navigate interface, fast load searching, and comprehensive filtering options. The integrated broker review system and instant booking features help save time, while route and fuel optimization tools can cut down on costs. Offline load details and push notifications for new matches are also big plus points for drivers who are constantly on the move. Still, the app has a few downsides. Some users note that certain premium features, such as advanced search filters or real-time market rate data, are locked behind paid subscriptions. Others have reported occasional glitches in map loading or slow data refresh in low network areas. The competition for high-paying loads can also be intense, especially in peak seasons. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Truckstop Go app may be worth using if you're a truck driver or carrier looking for a streamlined way to find and book loads while managing routes and costs. It excels in search speed, load details, and convenience. However, if you're not planning to pay for premium features or operate in areas with limited coverage, you may find some limitations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.